Arthritis, minimizing the symptoms and enjoying life again. With well over 100 different types of arthritis, it is little wonder that millions upon millions of people are diagnosed with the condition every year all over the world. The information found in this selection of arthritis tips and tricks will shine some light on the mysteries of arthritis and its symptoms. For those who suffer from osteoarthritis, it is important that you have enough vitamin C in your diet. Medical research has shown that vitamin C reduces pain in osteoarthritis patients and helps prevent it in young people. You can get vitamin C from many fruits, such as oranges, or you can take a supplement. Learn everything you can about arthritis once you or a loved one is diagnosed. Research the many available resources available to find information regarding diet, exercise and pain control. If you take a little time out of your day to understand arthritis better, you could find unknown information that will assist you in managing this condition more effectively. Supplement your arthritis treatment with exercise. In addition to maintaining your flexibility, regular exercise ensures that your body stays in a healthy state. Doing light exercise will stop your joints from becoming inflamed, but you have to be sure not to overdo it. If you're hurting, stop doing it. Take the time to learn about your condition and keep track of new advances in the science of treating arthritis. Join an online community of people suffering from arthritis and share advice and tips with them. Ask your doctor any question you have about your condition. Knowledge is key in living with your arthritis. Buy your children's clothing with zippers and loose-fitting clothing if you are a parent dealing with rheumatoid arthritis. Trying to handle a button or a snap can be a nightmare when you have rheumatoid arthritis. Don't suffer just to get your child the cutest outfit in the store. It is crucial that you watch what you are eating. Some people who experience arthritis tend to be sensitive to some types of food, but fail to realize it. Keep a ledger of what you consume, and take note of when your symptoms materialize. You may find that you discover which particular food item is bothering you. If you or someone that you are close to suffers from arthritis, you should know that it is very important to stay positive. While there is no cure for arthritis, following the advice in this video will offer you some insight into the various options available for the treatment and management of the disease. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.